Hey, good morning YouTube, Eric Road King. We're supposed to have a major northeast blizzard on the way. You know, it's been snowing for about an hour. And it's really not that bad right now, but I guess there's like 44,000 people without power because you can see the snow is sticking pretty good. It's about 30, I'd say about 33 degrees I think right now. And yeah, it's heavy wet snow at the moment, so I'm going to record during the day and just kind of let you guys see what's going on with this storm. But it doesn't really look that bad right now. I just pray we don't lose power. Alright, you guys, talk to you later. Alright, so it's like 11 o'clock in the morning now. Temperature's dropping. We're down to 31 degrees and the wind's picking up. And just to give you an idea, this may be 3 or 4 inches on the ground right now. Power flickered for a second but came back on. You can see the snow is on the trees exactly on the northeast side. The other side of the trees are clear. But yeah, you can see the trees down back bending over with the weight of the snow. Alright, just an update, guys. Enjoy the day. Alright, she's coming now. Power's out, generator's running. Neighbor's generator's running over there. Got a good 8 inches of snow here. I got my generator running under the deck. Just an update. Well, good morning. This is for you, Nick. Sorry I didn't get out in the height of it yesterday, but there was just too much going on. The power has been out for 12 hours. Had to keep the generator going. But yeah, I'd say we got at least a foot. So just a quick update for you. Sun's coming up. My neighbor's out snow blowing there. I gotta do mine. Birds are chirping. Maybe you can hear them. They're just starting to come into the bird houses for the spring now. Beautiful, huh? Sun's coming up over the ocean. The ocean's down the back of the property. Walk across the street, across a little bridge. But yeah, man. Hope everybody has a good day today. Talk to you soon.